That's MY journal! Mrs. Carter, she took my journal right off your desk during lunch. Stop lying, Emma! You know that's mine! Give it back to me right this second now! I am taking it back because it belongs to me. Let go of it right now. No, you let go! Mrs. Carter, tell Mike to stop grabbing my things right now, please. Look at what you did. Pages are flying everywhere, all over the floor right now.
Welcome everyone to the Big Reading Challenge Day. Please place your journals on my desk before recess.
I worked so hard on my reading journal. I can't wait to hand it in.
Make sure your name is clearly written on the front cover before you leave for recess.
Right on top of the stack. Now I can finally enjoy my recess without worrying.
I am so excited about my reading record this month, and it took so many hours.
Every journal looks so neat today. Everyone did an amazing job on this challenge. Line up quietly for recess, class. We will review all your journals right after lunch. The classroom is quiet now, waiting for the afternoon reading presentation to begin very soon.
Settle down, everyone. Take your seats so we can announce the reading challenge participants today. Hold on a second, class. I am looking for Mike's journal, but it isn't here.
What do you mean, Mrs. Carter? I placed my blue journal right on top before recess.
It's strange, Mike. I see everyone else's journal here except for yours anywhere on my desk.
Look, Mrs. Carter, I have my journal right here. I am ready to turn it in. I am so proud of my work this month. I wrote down every single book title.
Excellent work, Emma. You always show such wonderful dedication to our class reading challenge program.
Wait a minute, that orange sticker on the spine. That's my journal she is holding.
Hey, that's MY journal. Mrs. Carter, she took my journal right off your desk during lunch.
No, it's not. This is my journal. I wrote every single page in it myself.
Stop lying, Emma. You know that's mine. Give it back to me right this second now. Get away from me, Mike. I worked on this all week and you can't take it. I am taking it back because it belongs to me. Let go of it right now.
No, you let go! Mrs. Carter, tell Mike to stop grabbing my things right now, please.
Oh no, stop pulling so hard. It's tearing apart right down the middle spine area.
Look at what you did. Pages are flying everywhere, all over the floor right now.
Hey, both of you calm down. Stop fighting before someone gets hurt or sent to principal.
You ruined everything. You took my journal and now you destroyed it. You are a liar.
How could you say that to me? I never, ever want to be your friend again.
Silence! Everyone sit down in your seats right now. This behavior is completely unacceptable in class.
Look at this giant mess on the floor. I am deeply saddened by what just happened here. Because this journal is completely ruined and both of you lost control, I have no choice now.
It's not fair. I didn't do anything wrong, and she took my hard work right off desk. He called me a liar in front of everyone. I can't believe he said that to me.
Both Mike and Emma are officially disqualified from today's reading challenge competition due to this argument.
The entire room is split in two now. Nobody is talking to each other after that fight.
We used to be best friends, but now everything is completely ruined over a torn notebook.
Head quietly to the library now, class. Keep your voices down while we move inside the hallway.
Welcome to the library, children. Please find a quiet book to read for the next hour. I can't concentrate on reading anything right now. All I feel is anger and deep sadness.
I don't even care about the challenge anymore. I just feel so hurt by Mike's harsh words. Look at how far apart they sit now. The whole class feels the tension in the air.
Let's see here. Sorting out the returned items from yesterday's after-school book club meeting on desk.
Oh, what is this journal doing tucked away down here behind these heavy reference books today?
Wait a second. When the Natal said this brand new blue journal clearly has Emma's name written on the front label.
If Emma's journal is right here on my cart, then whose journal was in the classroom earlier? The book club volunteer put the wrong student name labels on these identical blue notebook covers. Mrs. Carter, excuse me. I just discovered something very important about the journal mix-up today. What did you find, librarian? Did something happen with the book club supplies from yesterday afternoon? Look here. 2 identical journals were delivered, but the name labels got accidentally swapped during labeling. Oh, goodness. So Emma was holding her real journal, and Mike's journal was actually misplaced earlier. Class, please pause your reading for a moment. We have a very important announcement to make right now. Everyone look up here, please. Something critical has been uncovered regarding the incident earlier this afternoon. What is she going to say now? Is she going to lecture us again about the fight?
I hope this is over soon. I just want to go home and forget this day.
Due to a label mix-up in the book club, 2 identical journals were accidentally given swapped names.
Wow. It was an accidental mix-up all along. Nobody was actually trying to steal anything today. Oh no. Emma wasn't lying at all. She really thought that blue journal was hers from club.
Mike wasn't just being mean, and he truly thought I took his journal off Mrs. Carter's desk.
See, Mike? It was just a big mistake. You should go talk to her right now.
Mistakes happen, but how we handle our anger and words afterward is what truly matters most, kids.
I need to make this right. I feel so terrible for shouting at her like that earlier. Emma, I am so sorry. I shouldn't have jumped to conclusions and screamed at you like that. Calling you a liar in front of the whole class was wrong of me. I was just so angry.
Thank you for saying sorry, Mike. I'm sorry for pulling the journal so hard and tearing it too. I was scared when you yelled, but I forgive you. Let's not be mad at each other anymore.
That took real courage, buddy. I'm really proud of both of you for working this out today.
I am so proud of your maturity.
I have a special idea for how we can fix this. How about you two team up and create a brand new, combined reading journal together from scratch today?
That sounds awesome! We can combine all our favorite book reviews into one super reading journal together.
Yes! I can draw the illustrations for the covers while you write down all the awesome book summaries.
Let's head back to our desks and get started right away on making the best journal ever. Principal Miller invited us in to show how we resolved our conflict through honest communication today.
Seeing you two turn an argument into a creative teamwork project is truly inspiring for our school.
Look, Emma, I saved your top reading list page. We can glue it right here on Chapter 1.
Perfect! And I will add bright gold stars around your book reviews so they stand out nicely. Here, let me hold the tape straight while you press the pages down firmly together like this.
Look at that! Mike and Emma's super reading journal, written right on the front in bold letters.
Class, I am thrilled to present a special joint award for extraordinary teamwork and true honesty today.
Give a huge round of applause for Mike and Emma's incredible new collaborative reading challenge journal entry.
Yay! Way to go, Mike and Emma! Best team in the whole class by far today. I learned today that losing my temper almost destroyed our friendship, but telling truth made us stronger.
And I learned that listening with an open heart can fix even the biggest misunderstandings between true friends.
You both earned these medals not just for reading, but for demonstrating real character and forgiveness today.
This medal reminds me to always stay calm and talk things out whenever problems come up later.
It's the prettiest medal ever because we earned it together as true best friends in class today.
3 best friends back together again. Nothing can break our awesome friendship group ever again now.
Time to head home, everyone. What a crazy, emotional, but ultimately wonderful day at school today.
A great reminder that while anger can destroy trust quickly, honesty and forgiveness can rebuild it stronger.
Hey, Emma, want to come over after school tomorrow so we can start reading our next adventure book?
I would love that, Mike. See you tomorrow for our next big reading challenge project together.
Remember, everyone, anger can destroy trust in seconds, but true honesty can always rebuild it forever.